How to change coin in Binance. Now in order to do this, just simply open your Binance app, and after opening the Binance, you will get to see this option of trade. Just simply tap into that and then go to convert section. Now after going into convert, you will get to see this page where you can see one section is for from and another for to. Now into the from section, you need to select the coin which you have right now and want to exchange with another coin. And into this to section, you need to select the coin which you would like to receive after exchange. Now just simply select the coins which you have and which you want to get. Then after that, you need to enter the amount that you would like to convert to another coin. For example, I have entered 1 Bitcoin that I would like to exchange with anime coin. And after doing this, just simply tap to preview and then you can convert it very easily. I cannot perform it right now because I don't have any cryptocurrency with me, but you can very easily do this if you have enough amount to exchange. I hope you understood all of the process. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.